In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Sprout Social. If you're looking for an easy way to manage social media in one place, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and confidently without skipping important details. First, open your preferred web browser and head to sproutsocial.com. You can type the address directly into the URL bar. Once the site loads, you'll be on Sprout Social's homepage, where you can learn about the platform's features. What we're after today is the free trial, so you can test everything without committing. Sprout Social offers a 30-day free trial, and, importantly, no credit card is required to start. On the homepage, look for a button that says, "Try free for 30 days, or something similar like, "Get started." The wording can vary slightly, but the intent is the same. Click that button to move into the sign-up flow. You'll land on a sign-up page. Here, you'll typically enter your email address and create a password. Use an email you check regularly, ideally a work email if you're exploring Sprout for business. For the password, choose something strong. Longer is better, and a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols adds security. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to generate and save a secure password. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. It's always worth at least skimming these so you understand how your data will be used. Most pages include links that open in a new tab, so you can review without losing your place. You may also see a few required fields, such as your full name and basic business details. Provide accurate information so your account is set up properly. Sometimes this helps tailor your onboarding experience to your role or goals, making the trial more relevant from the start. If you prefer a faster sign-up, look for options to continue with a Google, Facebook, or Twitter account. This links your existing login to Sprout Social and can save time. Choose the method you're most comfortable with and keep in mind that this simply changes how you sign in. It doesn't change the length or benefits of the trial. Once you've filled everything out, submit the form. You should be taken straight into your trial account. From here, you're ready to explore the dashboard and get a feel for the platform during your 30-day window. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Sprout Social.